Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Dorin's Kitchen. If you are new here, welcome. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Guys, today we are making amazing recipe. We are making viasikarai, meaning that we are making viazi. In our local language we call it viasikarai. So guys, I have some potatoes here. I have to peel the potatoes. I think they are somehow 3 kgs. So let me peel them. Then after finishing, we are going to wash and cut them into cubes. Just like the weather today, wash the potatoes. You know what? The weather outside is so fine. So I have my 3 stones there. This is what we are using here. So I just made the 3 stones. Then I will just light the fire. Those are the things we are using to light the fire. So guys, stay tuned as I make this fire. Retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. Guys, as you can see, I've lighted the fire. So what I'm doing, I just had put my sufria, the pot there. I've added the potatoes inside with water and salt. I've added some salt and water, so I will cover the pot and let it cook. So guys, let's prepare the paste. I have some garam flour, salt, and cornstarch. Then I've added some all-purpose flour. I think they are somehow 3 tablespoons So after that, I will mix it. I've just added water to mix. Just mix well until you get that the right paste you are going to use while making those viazi. After making the paste, my potatoes are ready. Yeah, as you can see in the picture, I'm just draining the water. Then I will add it to the paste I've made. Then I will start just frying them. As you can see in the video, guys, please kindly remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and also make sure that you watch the video till the end. Guys, like the video, share it with your friends. I think when you share the video, you are helping me a lot, and when you are liking the video, you are helping me a lot. You will make YouTube recommend my videos, guys. So as you can see in the picture, the video, that is what I was using. I've just added some oil, so I will just deep fry my potatoes. Then you will enjoy. Just try this recipe. I hope you will love it. So guys, I've finished deep frying my potatoes. So I'm just going to prepare the sauce. I'm going to make tamarind sauce. This is what I'm going to enjoy with these potatoes. Guys, this sauce is just something else. You have to try this. Wow, the potatoes, just enjoy them when they are still hot. Don't let them cool. Just enjoy them when they're still hot. So guys, I hope you will enjoy the video. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.